Sunny day, out metal detecting, can't beat it. Got the AT Pro, settings are Pro mode, 0, full sensitivity, no iron discrimination at all. That's the way I always have it. The only thing I change is the sensitivity and obviously ground balance as you go along. Doesn't matter if I'm on the beach, on the field, doesn't matter. That's how I use the AT Pro. So I'm going to do a bit on this little pasture here, and then I'm going to go into this stubble, and then go into the pasture and see what we can find. Happy days, let's do it. Right, got a cracking signal already, just came from the entrance there down to here, and it's 6870, so we'll dig that up and let you see what it is. Ah well, that's not a good start, is it? Shotgun cartridge. Ah well, let's see what else is here. Just a little musket ball. Came all the way along the hedge line there down to here. A lot of iron and coke, but not a lot of other signals. Where's a little musket ball though? That's a good sign of history. Let's carry on. Well, still going along the hedge line here. Got a banging signal up in the 80s. Just a bit of lead just round about there. I was about to give up and go into the pasture, because all the best things I've ever found in metal detecting I found in pasture. But I persevered on the old stubble here and I found a coin. There's a big old coin. I'm trying to keep out the wind here, but by doing that I'm stuck in the shade. Ooh, let's have a look, see what this is then. Give it a rub on the magic trousers. Oh, interesting. Can't make anything out on it just yet. Can't tell if he's facing left or right, or she, but it's got letters on it. It will clean up. Tell you what, I'll give it a clean and get back to you. I believe it's George III, I believe. Britannia on there, George III on the back, I believe. So that's a pretty cool find. I'll carry on around this bit, see if there's any more. There we go, just not far away from where I found the coin, a nice little musket ball or pistol ball. That's cool, we're picking up some history now. Well, just there's where I found the coin, over here is where I found the pistol ball. Sorry about the wind, by the way. Got a banging 60-70 signal here, probably a shotgun cartridge, but we'll dig it up and find out. Here we go then, it's in the clump here. Let's do a live reveal. Oh, it looks like it's just a lump of lead. It's a shaped piece of lead. I'm hoping it's some sort of gaming piece or something, but I don't think it is. I think it's just a bit of lead. Ah well, you always got to make sure it's not just a scrap piece of lead. You've got to make sure it's not something more historic than that. Nope, but it's just a lump of lead. Let's carry on. Well, I just found this lovely button. Try and focus on it for you. Now, it's very crudely made. The pattern on it's not very brilliant. It looks pewterish. Pewter button, I think, or it could be lead. I think, yeah, it feels lead, you know. It might be pewter, but not sure. Got the old shanky bit on the back there. But look at that pattern, and look at the circle. It's very crudely made, so that must be well old. That's one for Cressy 7. If you can tell me anything about this, or anyone can, I'll be very happy. That's an old button, that is. Brilliant. Let's carry on, see what else is here. Well, I've come onto the pasture. Like I said before, I found all my best stuff on pasture land before. I can't believe it. Like, there's the hedge line there. I've just came onto the pasture. Deep target all the way down there, and boom. I thought it was a coin to start with, but it's a button or badge. The shank's been taken off it. Try and get a good. There we go. I turn it around. There's a lovely pattern on that. What is that? There's a. It's like a horse or some weird creature jumping over a fence or something. There we go. Wow, that is pretty awesome. No idea what it is, how old it is. I don't think it's silver. It's definitely just a button, but how old it is, I've no idea. That's pretty cool, man. Awesome. That was deep as well. Let's see what else is here. I just found this strange pair of tweezers or something. Probably something to do with a farm tool. No idea, someone's bunting up. Oh well, let's see what else is here. Here we go. Shallow target, banging 78 I think it was on the AT Pro. So it looks like a coin. Ooh, another coin. It's only a penny. It's not very old. Not very old. George V, I believe. Could be George V. Trying to get a date. It's not that old. Nobody's interested probably, but 1920. 1920. Oh well. I think I'm on a footpath or something here. We'll see what else comes up. Well, I dug down deep on pasture. I love a bit of pasture. AT Pro works brilliant on pasture. I just found a fantastic buckle. Look at that. Trying to focus on that for you. Wow. That is pretty cool, man. I think I might have slightly scuffed it. That's a nice little buckle, that is. That is pretty cool. As far as buckles go, that is a nice one. I'm going to say Tudor, but I'm not sure. Hey, I'll tell you what. That's a very nice buckle, and it could be Tudor. Where there's Tudor buckles, there's Hammards, so let's keep looking. Oh, it's getting better and better. Well, that was deep down, big old horseshoe. Heading back to the car now, still detecting. Still got a few more bits of this field on the way back to the car, but we'll see what we can find. Well, that's a pretty cool find. Just found that down there. There's a little bit of decorative copper, I believe it is. Could be copper. Ah. Anyone knows what that could have been off, let me know. That's pretty cool. Well, I've got something in here, solid 80, 81. Was in here. You have to dig around a little bit. Tell you what, I'll find it and I'll get back to recording. Right, found it in that little clump there. Oh, down here somewhere. Ah, there we go. Ah. Just a clump of lead. Don't think it's lead actually, it might just be a clump of copper or something. It's not heavy enough to be lead, not that size. I don't know. Oh well, if I find anything else on the way back to the car, I will let you see it. Well, that's me heading back. Sun's starting to go down, got to get back to the kids. Yeah, quite cool. I'm going to come back on that pasture. I think it's very medieval sort of looking. There's a hell of a lot more to go over with the detector. Found the old buckle, I'm pretty sure that's Tudor buckle, I'll have to look into it. There's bound to be more stuff there. Yeah, cool. Right, thanks for watching and subscribing and commenting as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.